Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to graphic design portfolio. Here, we strive to provide you with the ultimate learning experience in the field of graphic design. Whether you're a beginner seeking guidance or a seasoned professional looking for inspiration, our channel is the perfect place for you. We cover a wide range of topics, from logo design and typography to branding and web design. Through our in-depth tutorials and step-by-step guides, we aim to equip you with the skills and knowledge necessary to create stunning designs. Our videos are carefully crafted to ensure clarity and effectiveness, making it easier for you to grasp complex concepts. As we believe in the power of collaboration, we also feature guest artists who share their expertise and experiences in the industry. This provides you with valuable insights and alternative perspectives. Furthermore, our channel keeps up with the latest trends and technologies in graphic design, keeping you up to date with the ever-evolving industry. We also offer critiques and feedback on viewer-submitted portfolios, helping you refine your skills and improve your work. Join our growing community of passionate designers and unleash your creativity through our YouTube graphic design portfolio channel. Get ready to learn, be inspired, and elevate your design game to new heights. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay connected with all our exciting content. Let's embark on this creative journey together.